Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. The markets were just too volatile today, and that's because of two things. One, positive global cues. Look at the Asian market. Hong Kong market was higher by about 2.7%, and most of the Asian markets were higher. And European futures were higher by 1%. Dow future, Nasdaq future, everything was green. And that is a very, very positive thing. But at the same time, we have our local problems. That is FII selling. On Friday, FIIs have sold for nearly 3,700 or 3,800 crore. So because of that, our market was very, very bearish. So we had one good positive global cues, and other side we have a negative local cues. So that's why the markets were very, very bearish. And on top of which, the RBI policy is coming on Wednesday. So the Bank Nifty has been making a violent move on both the sides. So Nifty at the end of the day has fallen only about 15 points. But Reliance, which was strong in the morning, but afternoon that came under selling pressure. So the Reliance and Asian Paint alone contributed to this 15-point fall in Nifty. If not, Nifty would have been flat. And surprisingly, on Friday, the Nasdaq has fallen more than 2.5%, and as expected, IT stocks opened gap down, and TCS has fallen nearly 70 rupees in the morning. And at the end of the day, or during the day, the entire 70 rupees loss was wiped out. It came to green, but then again it has fallen about 20-25 rupees. Infosys did even better, and Infosys ended in green today. In fact, Infosys is the top contributor for Nifty on the higher side, but I think only 6-7 points only. And today, surprisingly, HDFC Twins did not do well. I would not use the word surprisingly, because when FIIs are selling this, HDFC Twins will underperform. Last 1 week, FII selling was reduced. That's why these two stocks were doing very well. But again, when FII selling pressure comes, so these two stocks will be doing very badly. But however, on Friday, the major reason for the Bank Nifty fall was ICICI Bank, but that ICICI Bank has done very well today. And even Kotak Bank. Since morning, Kotak Bank has been doing very, very well. So overall, though we closed just flat, but the mid cap and small caps stocks have fallen more than the large cap stocks. So the broader market was not looking good, and this is really surprising given the fact that the global cues are really very, very good. So maybe sometimes we catch up with the global markets 1 or 2 days later. But I'm looking at the open interest. So people have sold huge amount of call options also, and people have sold a huge amount of put options also. I think the smart people have sold 16,500 short straddle. That means these people have sold 16,500 call also, 16,500 put also. The combined premium is about 300 rupees. So these people will make profit as long as Nifty is trading between 16,200 and 16,800. So that is well within the range of expected trading range of 16.4 to 16.8. So I've been telling that these markets are likely to trade between 16.4 to 16.8. If that trades that way for the next 3 days, then these 16,500 short straddle people will make some profit. So by looking at the market breadth, though today the Bank Nifty ended slightly in green compared to Nifty slightly ending in red, but the overall structure, the Bank Nifty is looking more bad compared to Nifty. So technically, Nifty is still long, but Bank Nifty has become short today. But however, sometimes these technicals may give wrong signals during the high volatile periods or ahead of some important events. So we have RBI policy meet on Wednesday morning 10 o'clock. So that can be one reason, so why this is giving a, who knows, it may be a right signal also. But for the time being, I am assuming that this is a wrong signal. So US futures are significantly higher, and if everything goes well, but FII data is still not out. I am just recording this at 6:15. So FII data is still not out, and in case if FII selling is not much, and then if US markets also recover, it closes, as per the future indication, then we can expect tomorrow also like to be slightly higher opening, or at least for the time being, the short term bottom is at 16,400 and long term bottom is at 15,700. So that is intact. For short term, the resistance is of course 16,800, but however, markets are going to be highly volatile for tomorrow as well as day after tomorrow, maybe because of this RBI policy. So we will see tomorrow morning where the market opens, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.